This is one of my top suggestions kung fresh grad ka or no experience or even senior looking for an online job. So guys, ito yung Facebook page ni BizMates. All their information are here. Pero pupunta tayo doon sa kanilang website which is www.bizmates.ph. BizMates is an online platform that teaches English to Japanese business professionals. So, ang magiging mga students nyo dito as a trainer is yung mga professionals in Japan. Ang goal nyo dito is maturuan silang gamitin yung English sa kanilang business communication. Some of the things that I like with BizMates is meron kang flexibility whether gusto mong i-open or i-close yung inyong schedule. And then they also have promotions. So apart from being a trainer, pwede ka ma-promote as assessor, mentor, which means hindi ka masa-stuck forever as a trainer. And meron din silang training and support team for their trainers. Ayan, so guys, punta na tayo doon sa kanilang mga job requirements kasi medyo specific to. So, make sure you keep on watching. Kailangan meron kayong bachelor's or associate degree from any college. If undergraduate naman kayo or hindi pa kayo tapos mag-aral, you must have at least a work experience in the relevant field. You have to have excellent verbal and English communication skills. Kailangan din tech-savvy kayo. So, na-mention ko kanina na pwede kayong mag-apply dito no matter what age as long as you're already of legal age. But you have to be tech-savvy. So, kailangan hindi kayo hirap na mag-navigate sa mga tools. Part ng requirement nila is you should be able to commit to at least 10 hours of work per week. So guys, pagdating naman sa setup or sa home office setup or technical requirements, ang pinakauna dyan is kailangan stable yung internet connection nyo. Although hindi naman sila nagre-require ng sobrang taas, at least 2 Mbps of download or upload speed. And kailangan directly connected yung computer nyo sa inyong router. So, hindi sila nag-a-accept ng Wi-Fi. Ayan, kailangan LAN connection talaga. So, pwedeng i-connect nyo directly yung inyong laptop or desktop. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo magagamit yung inyong phone or yung inyong mga tablets. They also require you to have Skype for Windows or Mac, depending on what you're gonna be using. A working headset with microphone, preferably guys, is may noise cancellation properties ito. HD webcam, ayan, para makita kayo ng inyong mga magiging estudyante. And a quiet, well-lit area at home to conduct the classes, preferably with a white background. So, kailangan maliwanag at kitang-kita kayo ng inyong mga kakausapin. Okay, let's go na sa kanilang application process, guys. Pinakauna is mag-fill up tayo ng application form. Click lang natin yung apply now. Ayan, makikita nyo tong kanilang applicant registration page. Wala kayo guys na ibang pag-a-applyan kung di itong page na ito lamang. So, lagay nyo yung inyong first name, ang inyong last name, and your email address. And then, click lang natin dyan yung I have read and understood the privacy terms, and then click natin yung register. Ayan, and then meron kayong marireceive na email from BizMates Philippines. Nakalagay dyan, thank you for registering. Complete your application now. So, click lang natin yung apply. And then sabi dyan, welcome to the first stage of your application process, Mimi. Let's get started. So, click lang natin yung start. They would ask you if you're residing in the Philippines. If you're overseas, pwede ka rin mag-apply dito. Click mo lang yung second na I am an overseas resident. So, click next. Meron lang sila mga couple of questions here like kung meron ka bang identification number, kung meron kang BPI account, kung meron kang clean record with the IR, or if you are willing to be registered as a professional with the BIR. So, click lang natin yes lahat yan. And then, your personal information, date of birth, gender is female. So, lalagay nyo dito yung inyong mobile number. And then, hit next. So, tatanungin din kayo ng inyong education, work experience. So, check nyo lang lahat dyan ng pwede nyong i-check. Online teaching experience. How did you learn about BizMates? So, lagay nyo na lang yung aking name as a referral. In my case, I actually found this on Facebook. And then, hit next. So, magkakaroon kayo ng English skill check. So, you have to be on a strong and stable connection. Meron kayong 15 minutes of private time in a quiet space. I have a headset with a microphone to record the audio, and I am motivated and ready to rock. So, kung ready na kayo, let's go! Click lang natin ang let's go. So, may tatlong part, guys, yung grammar check nila. First is yung may mga choices, fill in the blanks. And then, next is short answer. May sasagutin kayo mga question dyan para matest ang inyong verbal and written English communication skills. And of course, at the very last is a voice recording. Okay, yung first part is grammar check. Para lang tong fill in the blanks, guys. So, nakalagay dyan, kagaya nito, I'm busy next Monday, so I blank come. So, I can't come. O, diba? Whose files are these? It is mine with an apostrophe. This is actually 15 questions. And then, once natapos nyo na yun, guys, just click on next. Okay, so the next step, guys, is yung kanilang short answers. So, meron silang mga questions na papasagutan sa inyo na essay type. Ang halimbawa niyan is, what is your weakness? Masusukatan yung English written skills. And sa last one is a voice recording where you have to record an answer to a question. So, usually the question is something like, what is your typical, or how does your typical day looks like? And then you have to record your voice for around 2 minutes. And then, ayan, makikita nyo na tong page na ito where it says, i-review nila ang inyong application. Ayan, and then, wait lang kayo around 3 days bago sila makapag-reply sa inyo. Ayan, so guys, pag pumasa kayo doon sa kanilang initial test na yon, ang next nyo na is an interview. So, sa interview, guys, it's important you wear something like a business casual attire. Ayan, so hindi pwede itong parang nakapajama kayo, no? Make sure that you have a stable internet connection kasi dyan nila malalaman kung nagpuputol-putol ba yung inyong internet. Tip ko dito, guys, is mag-practice kayo ng mga pwede nyong matanong sa inyo and paano nyo sasagutin. Maraming mga videos in YouTube that you can watch kung saan ni-record nila yung kanilang interview. So, it would give you an idea on how fast the conversation will go, ano yung mga usual na tinatanong nila. And the interview, guys, will last around 15 to 20 minutes. And malalaman nyo na din doon if you will be endorsed to their video training. If pumasa kayo, ang next na is video training. So, papadalhan nila kayo ng mga training videos where you will learn yung method nila on how they teach their students. Ayan, so pag-aaralan nyo yan, and then the next na is magbubook na kayo ng inyong demo call. So, on a demo call, may manonood sa inyo na someone from HR trainer. Parang they're gonna pretend that they're your student and magde-demo ka sa kanila using the methods that you've learned from the video training. So, once napasa mo na lahat yan, you can already start working or training Japanese professionals. Pwede na kayong mag-open ng inyong mga slots. So, ano ba yung work schedule dito kina BizMates? Monday to Friday, sa morning, pwede kang mag-work from 4 a.m. until 9 a.m. This is Philippine time, guys, ha? And then, sa gabi naman, during the weekdays, pwede kayo mag-work from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So, kapag naman weekends, which is a Saturday and Sunday, pwede kayo mag-open ng slot from 4 a.m. until 12 midnight. Kagaya na mention ko kanina, you are required to work at least 10 hours per week. Ang maximum slots mo per day is 40 slots. That's 20 hours per day. So, kung gusto mo maghalimaw during the weekend, pwede ka namang hindi na matulog, pero I would strongly advise against it. But yes, maximum of 40 slots per day sila. Okay, let's go na dun, guys, sa payment nila. Magkano ba yung pwede naming sweldohin here? So, trainers get paid per lesson taught. Ang isang lesson nila or yung slot starts at 70 pesos. And may maximum rate sila na 115 pesos. So, yung isang lesson nila is 25 minutes long. So, meaning, in 1 hour, you can open a slot for 2 lessons. So, it equates to 1 hour of working with Bizmates is around 140 pesos to 230 pesos per hour. And then payout option, guys, is through bank transfer via BPI or via Maya Bank. Ayan. So, bibigyan ko kayo guys dito ng sample computations. For example, let's put scenario A na gusto mo part-timer ka lang and beginner ka. Gusto mo mag-work lang sa gabi, which is from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So, that's 3 hours. Pwede kang mag-book ng 6 lessons at 70 pesos per lesson. So, in one day, you can earn 420 pesos. Ayan. And then, kung halimbawa naman 5 days per week ka mag-work, in a week, you can earn 2,100. Kung tuloy-tuloy kayo mag-work in a month, so that's times 4 weeks, that's gonna be 8,400 pesos in a month. So, you can earn 8,400 working just 3 hours a day for 1 month in Bizmates. Okay, so ibahin naman natin yung scenario. Halimbawa naman, gusto mong i-maximize yung earnings mo and mataas na yung rating mo as a trainer. Let's keep it somewhat healthy, guys. Okay? Gusto nyo mag-work lang ng 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day for 6 days a week. Gusto nyo ring mag-work ng Sabado. So, that's 8 hours, 16 lessons in a day at 115 pesos per lesson. So, ang magiging rate natin dyan is 1,840 per day. Times natin yan ng 6 days. Kung halimbawa, gusto nyo pahinga is Sunday lang, no? So, that's 11,040 per week. So, meron na kayong 11,000 in 1 week. And kung 1 month naman, it will amount to 44,160. Some trainers, they report an earnings of 80,000, 85,000 per month, and makikita nyo to all over social media. Pero, ayun, I would still suggest that you keep it at a healthy level, guys. After all, isa lang naman ang ating katawan, so pag-ingatan na natin, 'di ba? So, maganda siyang gawin as a starter job for fresh grads or undergrads, like a learning experience, or a stepping stone to further your career. Ayan. Pero I really do not recommend to be an English trainer forever. Bakit? Madali siyang maka-burn out, guys. And it's true, even if you ask other trainers. The work is kind of repetitive. And hahabulin mo kasi yung sweldo mo with your effort. If medyo skilled ka na and confident ka na sa skills mo, you can of course level up na din yourself eventually. Pero guys, yun naman ay just my opinion, ha. Syempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng mga pinanggagalingan. We have our own limitations and capabilities. Ayan. So, let me know in the comment section what you think of this job, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again on another work from home or earn from home video next time.